Hi everyone, happy end of 2023. It's flown by for me, but I want to share with you 5 tips I've collected after spending the year teaching in businesses and other organizations. What do people want? We're going to find out here. We'll count them down. All right, number 5, top tip from everything I've observed this year, don't share everything. Okay, it seems counterintuitive because typically when we send someone a message, we're concerned with making sure we've given all the information we needed, but that typically translates to content overload. We're usually writing everything to try to be helpful. It's not feeling helpful on the other side because people are so exposed to so much content. So if you have all these things to say, choose a couple for your first message, see where it goes, then maybe share the next. Thorough is not always what we want, surprisingly. It's a little bit different than we'd expect, right? Number 4, assume benevolent intent. Now, this is actually us as writers and as readers. If we receive a message that doesn't seem super sensitive, we might think, oh, maybe they didn't mean it that way, right? We give a chance. If we're the writer, we do not say something like, how is this marketing's problem? By the way, that's from a real email I've seen before. If somebody has given me an assignment and I don't understand why it's mine, I can assume they're not trying to hurt me. They're not trying to do something negative, and I can just ask for more information instead of getting upset. Number 3, order your ideas according to relevance for your reader. If you have many things to say, you're probably wondering anyway, what order should I say them in? It's nice not to have to decide. Base it on what your reader needs. If I'm writing about extreme weather, you can imagine all the places you know of where one of these would be more important than the others. I'm in California in the United States. If I were writing about extreme weather to people around me, I would probably put number 3 at the top of that list. But think about where you live or where your readers are. What would come first for them? Whatever is most front of mind, most relevant for your reader should come first in any kind of message or document. Okay, getting to the biggies here. Number 2, make it scannable. Biggest lesson of the year, other than number 1, obviously, not everyone reads. We don't always read a document, a message, an email. Sometimes we skim or scan. So use visual cues. Help your reader be able to learn just from looking, not from reading. A big paragraph like this is a huge turnoff. Most people don't want to put forth the effort to figure out what is in my paragraph here, especially since I started it so boringly. With a slow lead-in, it is important that. The revision there, I can look at it and right away know, oh, these are the things I kind of need to do without reading in detail. Okay, so that brings us to our last way to help our readers and live up to the trends of 2023 as we start 2024. Don't just be concise. Don't just be nice. Be concise and nice. I chose this because it's the number 1 question I get in class. How can I balance the two? We tend to feel like to be nice, we have to go on a long time to show all our caring thoughts. That makes sense, but it's actually true that we can be concise and then just tweak it a little to make it nice. Here's a wordy sentence. Blah, blah, blah. I don't even want to read it. It has come to our attention that I'm already done. You've probably seen in my other videos that to make this sentence clear and concise, we just need to lead with who and what. So I'm going to say you as my who. Please submit your feedback through our survey. I'm already concise. What you want to do then, if you want to add on the nice, check your verbs. It's always the verbs. I decided to change submit to share to add that more human element. You can often make that tonal adjustment right there in your verb. So just write your concise sentence, or rather, write your wordy sentence if you're like me. Edit it to become concise by leading with who and what, and then fix your what until it's exactly what you're hoping to convey tonally as well as informationally. That's where you can protect your relationship with that reader. So get ready for 2024. Get ready to use these tips, and I'll keep you posted on what else I'm hearing in the classroom. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support during 2023. I'm going to leave you with a few instances of me being extra dorky with bloopers from this year, and have a wonderful holiday season. Hello everybody, and thank you for being with me here at the channel. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, it's recording now, so. Okay.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us today.
Hey there, it's Erin with High Value. Is the sound? Sound? Hi there, it's Erin. Hi there, it's Erin Lebax with High Value Writing. Thanks for being here at the channel.